In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, go into Shortcuts menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now you need to click on this shortcut with a padlock. When I do that, it turns gray and a padlock opens. That means that auto rotation is on because your screen is no longer locked in current orientation. To disable auto rotation, click on the same shortcut until padlock turns red and it closes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!